Recovery, recycling and reclamation of refrigerants. Most refrigerants like hydrochlorofluorocarbons have high global warming and ozone depleting potential, and hydrofluorocarbons have high GWP. These refrigerants should under no circumstances be released into the atmosphere. They need to be recovered and reused. Recovery, recycling and reclamation of refrigerants, that is 3 Rs, are essential good service practices carried out by service technicians for the benefit of the environment and the economy. Recovery. Recovery refers to the removal of refrigerants from equipment in any condition and collecting it in a recovery cylinder. Recovery does not involve processing or analytical testing. There are 2 methods of recovery, passive and active. The passive method of recovery uses system compressors to create a pressure differential and accelerate the pumping of the refrigerant into the recovery cylinder. The active method, however, uses an external recovery machine. Let's look at the tools and equipment required. Hand tools, recovery machine, recovery cylinder, gauge manifold, charging lines. Let's look at a step-by-step procedure for recovering refrigerants from a split-type air conditioner system. Turn on the AC system and run it for 5 minutes to warm up the compressor. Connect the low side hose of the gauge manifold to the charge port of the 3-way service valve fitted to the outdoor unit. Purge the air in the manifold and hose using the refrigerant. Connect one charging line from the manifold to the inlet of the recovery unit. Connect a second charging line from the outlet of the recovery unit to the recovery cylinder and purge it. Place the recovery cylinder on a weighing scale. Use an Allen key to open the suction valve on the outdoor unit. Open the inlet and outlet valves of the recovery unit and purge the lines. Note down the initial weight of the cylinder. Start the recovery unit and run it until the suction pressure drops to about -20 of mercury. Wait for a while. If the pressure increases, start the recovery unit and continue recovery until the pressure drops to about -20 of mercury. Switch off the recovery unit. Close the service valves for the outdoor unit. Check the final weight of the cylinder. Disposable cylinders should not be used for recovery of refrigerants. Only certified cylinders should be used, and even they should be checked visually before being used. Never fill the cylinder to more than 80% of its rated capacity. Recycling. Recycling is the process of cleaning refrigerant collected from equipment by removing all oil, moisture, acidity and particulate matter by passing it through oil separators and filter dryers. This is a simple recycling unit that can be used along with a recovery unit. It consists of an oil separator that separates any oil that mixed in with the refrigerant and a filler dryer that removes moisture and particulates contaminant. Connect the equipment from where the refrigerant is to be recovered or the cylinder with recovered refrigerant to the recycling unit. Connect the outlet of the recycling unit to the inlet of the recovery machine and the outlet of the recovery machine to the recovery cylinder. Open the cylinder and purge all lines. Place the recovery cylinder on a weighing balance and note down the initial weight of the cylinder. Start the recovery unit and run it till the suction pressure of the recovery unit comes down to 2 psig. Repeat the process if the side glass indicates the presence of moisture. Note the final weight of the cylinder. Reclamation. Reclamation refers to reprocessing of used refrigerant to meet the standards of virgin refrigerant by extensive filtering, drying, distillation and chemical processes. Reclamation removes contaminants such as water, chloride, acidity, high boiling residue, particulates or solids, non-condensable gases and impurities including other refrigerants. Refrigerant reclamation is recommended when used refrigerants need to be charged into units other than the units they were removed from. Let's adopt these good servicing practices to help save the environment. And remember that recovery, recycling and the reclamation of refrigerants is absolutely essential.